Hello, welcome back. In this screencast, we are going to learn the Microsoft Excel interface. We will begin with what we call the command tabs. So at the very top here, we can see we have File, Home, Insert, Page Layout. These are called command tabs. When I click on the file, I get this interface or this screen. This is called the backstage. At the backstage, that is where we can create new Excel document, open existing one. You can share, you can view additional information about your workbook, then your save and then your print functions. You can also close Excel using the close button here. I'm not going to do any of this, so I'll click back. Now, when I click on the home, the insert, the page layout, the formulas, or up to the end developer command tabs here, you will see a long horizontal bar. This long horizontal bar is called the ribbon. The ribbon. Okay, now the ribbon is grouped, so there are groupings. For instance, these four icons here, the paste, the cut, the copy, the format painter, are being separated from these formatting features. Here, this clipboard is called a group. So these names over here, the namings over here are called groups. So when you look through the home ribbons, it has about 6 groups: clipboard, fonts, alignment, number, styles, cells, and editing. Now, every group contains buttons or icons or small images that are used to execute a function or to perform a specific purpose. These are called buttons. So, this paste here is a button. Cut is a button. If I click on the align middle or the center alignment, that one also a button. Now, Excel contains rows and columns. Columns are the alphabetical headings. So for instance, A, B, C, D. These are called column headings. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are called row headings. Now, when a column and a row meet, or they intersect, we call it a cell. So a cell is an intersection of a row and a column. Cells are named according to the column heading and the row number. Don't forget, columns are the alphabetical representation, where rows are number representation. So if I click here, when you click on a cell, you will see a border around it. That makes it what we call active cell. Active cell. Active cells are cells that we can perform calculations or actions in it, or simply put, cells ready to accept a data entry. Those are called active cells. When I click on the cell, there is a box here. We call this cell name box, or the name box for short. This displays the name of the cell, which is also referred to as the cell reference. So this is L column, this is 9 row. So this cell is called cell L9 as specified in the name box. This L9 is also called a cell reference. Now, this bar here is called a formula bar. This is where we input in our Excel functions and formulas to perform calculations or summaries. When I click on any cell which makes it an active cell, you will see a small box at the below here, a small box. This small box is called cell handle or the cell fill handle, which is used in reproducing a pattern or a function or a formula input in the data